my grand magic show. The first, I'm going to start off with a little good trick. I'm going to take my hat. I'm going to start one foam ball here. Now, see, I'm just going to put it in his hand. I'm going to put it under this hat, and I'm going to take my wand and tap it 3 times, and then say a magic word, and it should appear 3 of these.
Wow.
Put it under. Well, I shouldn't say there will be 3, there will be 2.
Okay.
Now,
Can you do it, Dominic? Do you think he can do it? What do you think?
Let's see.
Okay, let's see.
okay. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. Ready?
Ready? Wow! Yay!